Are you looking for the best outdoor security camera? In your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best outdoor security camera. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the TP-Link ColorPro Wi-Fi outdoor camera. Provided you can run a power cable without too much trouble, a wired security camera can be a better choice than a battery-powered one for a back or side entrance. Some of our favorite Wi-Fi routers and mesh systems come from TP-Link, and its Tapo camera line is generally affordable and reliable, if a bit basic. The C325WB hits a new high with a large aperture and image sensor that enables color nighttime footage without a spotlight, making it ideal for dark corridors and side passages. It does also have a motion-triggered spotlight. You can also filter for people, pets, or vehicles and set up private zones in the Tapo app. This camera is weatherproof with an IP66 rating and can take up to 512 GB microSD cards for local recordings. By default, the camera mostly records at 720p, so you must dig into the settings to push the resolution to 2K and turn on HDR, or you can expect choppy, overexposed video. I also had to reduce the motion detection sensitivity to prevent false positives, and the onboard AI is flaky, frequently identifying my cat as a person. While the feed was mostly quick to load in the Tapo app, it was sometimes slow or failed to load on my Nest Hub. There's an Ethernet port here too, but sadly no PO support. Cloud storage is an option with Tapo Care from $350 monthly for a single camera. Minor issues aside, this camera is excellent for the money, and it has the best color night vision I've seen. Up next in the 4th place is the eufyCam Outdoor Starter Bundle V2. Bargains are a big part of the Wyze brand, and the eufyCam Outdoor is no different. It records video in full HD with a 110-degree field of view and comes with a base station that plugs into your router for setup, but can connect wirelessly thereafter. This base station takes a microSD card not included for local video recording, and I strongly recommend utilizing this. Otherwise, there's a 12-second limit for video clips and a 5-minute cooldown in between motion events if you store everything in the cloud accessible for 14 days. If you prefer the cloud, you can pay $24 per year for unlimited video length and no cooldowns, along with other perks like person detection. The stated battery life is between 3 and 6 months, but mine needed a charge before it reached 3. I like that you can schedule recording times and customize the camera's detection zone. And because you can also add a microSD card to the camera's base, a nifty travel mode lets you take the cam with you without needing to connect to the base station or Wi-Fi. Great if you want to monitor your hotel room on a trip. Unfortunately, the video quality overall doesn't match up to more expensive cameras. The low frame rate gives footage a choppy feel, there's no HDR, and night vision is only passable. There is two-way audio, but lags make conversations awkward. The live feed and recorded videos are slow to load too. The 3rd product on our list is the eufySecurity eufyCam's 332 Cam Kit Outdoor Wireless Security Camera. If you're willing to spend more, the eufyCam 3810 Wired recommends is an impressive system that boasts on-device AI detection for people, pets, and vehicles, as well as face recognition. While it's not as accurate as Google Nest's Familiar Faces feature, it works on device and does a reasonably good job of identifying faces you have tagged. Video resolution goes up to 4K, and these cameras have built-in solar panels to keep their batteries topped up. There's also 16 GB of local storage, expandable up to 16 TB on the connected Homebase 3 hub. Footage is extremely detailed at the highest resolution, and the app is feature-packed, enabling you to set detection zones, tweak sensitivity, and have two-way conversations. This is an expensive system, and it might be overkill for some people. Just bear in mind that you do need a fast and reliable internet connection for the cameras if you want to record in 4K. I also found the nighttime performance disappointing, and the low frame rate can lead to blurring and choppiness. You can have motion trigger the spotlight, but it's not very powerful, and the night vision is nowhere near as good as on the Tapo system above. The face recognition is the real USP that you won't find elsewhere without cloud processing, and it does cut down on the need to review videos when you get an alert. If you do want cloud storage, it starts at $3 per month for a single camera. Second on our list is the TP-Link Tapo 2K QHD Outdoor Wireless Security Camera System. If you'd rather avoid cloud services, consider the impressive Tapo C420's 2 system. You get 2 cameras with a small hub that plugs into your router via Ethernet, and it takes microSD cards up to 256 GB sold separately. Video resolution goes up to 2K, and the footage is crisp and detailed. I was especially impressed by the nighttime performance. Testing on a long dark side passage, where most cameras failed to penetrate to the gate at the end, the Tapo picked out every detail. The Starlight sensor enables color night vision, and there are 2 built-in spotlights. The Tapo app has a wealth of options, including privacy zones, sensitivity sliders, scheduling, privacy mode, and smart detection for people, pets, and vehicles. This works well, but I got a few false positives in stormy weather. When my cat jumped up to climb the fence right next to the camera, it kept flagging him as a person. There is a siren, and the 2-way audio is passable, though it often sounds distorted. Thankfully, the live feed and playback videos are consistently quick to load on my iPhone and on my Nest Hub Max. TP-Link optimistically says you can expect up to 6 months of battery life. Mine are at 70 and 51% after 27 days. Since you get all these features without a subscription, this is our top pick if you want to keep things local. Finally, the top product on our list is the Arlo Pro 5's 2K Spotlight camera. Crystal clear footage day or night, speedy load times for the live feed, and a smart notification system make the Arlo Pro 5 our favorite outdoor security camera. It connects directly to Wi-Fi, has a wide 160-degree field of view, and records at up to 2K resolution with HDR. Your feed won't look blown out when there's a light source in the frame. There's also a choice of color night vision or spotlight, which uses an integrated light to illuminate the scene. 2-way audio is clear and relatively lag-free, and there's a built-in siren. Over months of testing, it has mostly proven to be consistent and reliable. I very occasionally observed long loading times and a slight lag 2 to 3 seconds on the live feed. Arlo technical support was unable to help. The first issue seemed to resolve itself, possibly a firmware upgrade, but the lag comes and goes. Arlo claims up to 8 months of battery life, but this depends entirely on how busy it is. Mine needed a charge after less than 4 months. It has an easy-to-use app, and the camera filters motion alerts by people, animals, vehicles, and packages. The notification system is swift and accurate, offering animated previews and screenshots with highlighted subjects that are easy to read even on a smartwatch screen. The catch: you need an Arlo Secure Plan $5 per month for a single camera, $13 per month for unlimited cameras to make the most of these features, and it also gets you 30 days of cloud video history. HomeKit support requires an Arlo base station and an Apple Home Hub. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.